Whoa, you guys, I'm so busy right now. So, where are these scientists that work on Frankenstein lab? Look at that thunder with all the place. So, have you ever wondered why we jump and we can get up so high? Why the jets can fly because of the thrust force? Or sometimes we can bounce on some trampoline. So today we're here for this explanation about the Newton's third law of motion called
Action and reaction.
Bro.
Let's get it!
Let's get it!
So the meaning of Newton's third law is the size of the force on the first object equal to the size of the force on the second object. So the direction of the force on the first object is opposite to the direction of the force on the second object. And the force always come in pairs. Example like action-reaction force pair. So for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So as you see, the red one is action force and blue one is reaction force.
As the first person have thought that what is Newton's third law, so I will summary it for you. So I have written same amount of force, opposite direction.
For example, look at the video.
As you can see, we can draw the diagram. The blue circle thing represents the golf ball and the white thing is a wall. So,
The action force is the force of golf ball act upon the wall, and the reaction force is the force that wall act upon the wall.
so these are the pair of force that act together.
And next example.
As you can see in the video, the blue hammer thing represents the real hammer that acts to the tire, and the line of white color represents the tire.
The action is the force of hammer act upon the wall, and the reaction is the force of wall that act to the hammer.
So the uses of this law. This law plays very important roles in our lives. Many things. But I will show you two examples that this law have a role. So the first is about the plane. The plane can be traveled by the thrust force, and the thrust force can be created because of the drag force of the plane, as you can see in the picture. So the thrust is a reaction that makes the plane move forward, and the drag is the action force that the engine of the plane make. So the next example, as you can see in the picture, the boat can move because of the man rowing a boat. The action force is a force of stick act to water, and the water is a reaction force that push the boat to make it move forward. So this is how the boat moves. So thank you for listening us.
Bye bye.